So after you complete all of the measurement for the piping and also the plumbing fixtures, the next thing I'm gonna do is to price that with RSMint Online. So I'm gonna go to RSMint Online over here, and I already logged in, so I'm gonna go to manage estimate, create new estimate, and let's call this one is deliverable 2. I'll put my name here and make sure that we change this one to Florida with the city is Fort Myers. This one gonna be in Lehigh. All right, we click save and continue. Oh, they don't allow to have that. All right, so now we go back here. So let's do the pricing for the fixture first. So first of all, let's take a look here. So you see that we have the water clauses over here. The water clauses over here. How many items do we have? We have 5 items. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open Toggle chat, and I will ask what type of water clauses the project requires, and then let it run a little bit to see if it specifies what type of water clauses do we need to use. All right, perfect. So it read the spec and the drawing over here, that especially on the drawing P01 over here, P301 schedule, and then it say the features we're gonna use is the one over here. So Zune Z5665. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to plumbing here, water clauses here, right here. All right, and the one over here is floor mount. So we have floor mount over here. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, I will pick this. Okay, and I'm gonna open this one. So you see that the labor cost is right here. But if you want to improve the material cost, so let's say if you use the material cost, probably this one. Okay, so let's say if I decide to improve the accuracy a little bit, I'm gonna use the price right here, and I'm gonna keep the same labor cost, but I will update the material cost a little bit. And then I can also link over here. I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna put that one in the node over here. Okay, so I will know where I can trace back where did I find the material cost over here. Okay, I'm gonna click save. Oh, this one is too long. Let's see if we can, maybe we just type total from total restroom only. Okay, like that. Save. All right, now how many toilet do we have? We have 5 toilet. 5 toilet. Okay, that's easy. Next thing is the sink. Next thing is, for example, the let's say the sink L1. Okay, what type of sink L1 is? And then let it run a little bit. All right, I have the result over here. This is a sink L1, that one is ADA compliant lavatory, and we have also have the features over here as well. Okay, so you guys do the same thing. You guys gonna find the most similar one on the RSmin over here. Obviously, RSmin, they don't have all of the option over here. They just have couple of the size. So that's why you find a more similar one, and then you can copy this one. You can look it up for the specific features with the brand over here on the website, and then you update the material cost to improve the accuracy. Right? So that is how you handle the fixtures. So now how can you handle the piping? So let's see that we have the piping over here. All right. So now if you open this one, and you can maybe we're gonna do some a little bit of so export this one, select all, and I'm gonna export this one, and I'm gonna export that into Excel. Okay, I'm gonna export that into Excel, screen view only. Okay. Alright, so now I have this one over here. So I know that the thing is that we want to see that in a group as well. So group by folder. Okay, let's group by folder. Export that into Excel. So now we can see that a little bit easier. All right, so we have the water supply count over here. Okay, so let us toggle AI again. What is the elevation, the height of the building from floor to ceiling? Some information like this one, it cannot find because usually something like that require you to read the you need to read the architect view. For this one, the drawing so far we don't have the architect view, so I will go quickly to Alright, so if I open the architect view, you can see that the building height can go up to 0 to 28 feet 8 inches. That's relatively high. They have another level over here, but the main level is around this one. So I'm gonna use around 21 feet. Just add a little bit extra just for a little bit backup contingency. So I'm gonna let this one equal to this value. Okay, value over here multiplied by 21 feet. Okay, and then I can add all of that together. Okay, so now for example the pipe 3 quarter inch, 3/4 inch. So I'm gonna have this one equal to this plus 3/4 inch over here. So I have the total length of that one is 122.5, around 0.5, 122.5 for for 3/4 inch. So let's go back here. Alright, so let's go back to RSmin, and then we can find piping system. Okay, piping system. Okay, domestic. Pipe over here. Let's find piping copper. All right, so that one around 2211, okay, and then I'm gonna use copper, okay, so this one copper and 3/4 inch diameter, okay, all right, right here. So I'm gonna have 122.5, okay, that is the total feet of the 3/4 inch pipe. Similarly, please continue with all of the piping of the project, and then you will export that one into a report that I explained on the previous deliverable. Okay? For the advanced report over here, last time we export that with all of the column of material, equipment, and total. This time what I want you to do is to also add a column of node as well. So at the end what you will have is that you will have the node indicate the source of the material cost that you extract from online or some any other sources.